Hello, my name is LuisQuiroz. Thanks for this opportunity to talk about myself and my impressions and expectations in regards to the reporting manager position. So I will jump right into the presentation to address the laid out questions. First, the reasons this position at ATB interests me. I possess over 10-year work experience as data and business analyst solving different types of projects across various sectors. I furthered my education through a master's degree in technology where I piloted an innovative business model to fund an online continuing medical education program. So I added hands-on experience by articulating database, online platform, and video conferencing technologies. Being knowledgeable of various analytical tools, I am able to take over technical and business dimensions of projects. In the same way, I can interact with SMEs at different levels of the organization. Second, my perspective on performance monitoring. Performance monitoring is key to an organization in order to improve its performance in meaningful ways. Performance monitoring is represented through a set of metrics, and each metric is the combination of two or more measurements, such as the number of customers over time, the total revenues over time. Performance monitoring is vital to all organizations because decision makers can compare metrics for benchmarking and forecasting. Third, data to seek out that aid in problems or questions team members are trying to solve. The most important element is to clearly define the problem or question to be solved by the team. From the innovation perspective, this means to nail down the end user's job to be done. The job to be done is the main reason an end user hires a specific solution. Therefore, the research and discovery tools must correctly aim to the job to be done to describe the following: who the audience of the report is, what needs to be reported, how will be reported, the characteristics, from where, unit, department, and from when, time interval. Once this milestone is accomplished, the picture will be clear as per resources needed. And finally, strategies for being successful in this role. In my opinion, the critical success factors come down to the following list. To understand the end user's job to be done because it will directly impact the customer's experience. Assign to the tasks the right blend of resources: people, data, databases, and processes. Keep alternative solutions in store when changes arise in order to act quickly. Keep open lines of communication with stakeholders and internal team members for smooth steering. Always revisit primary and secondary market research for feedback, trends, and benchmarking. And finally, encourage innovation by letting team members experiment with new tools, new methods, and by allowing them to take training in technical courses. Once again, thanks, and I hope to hear from your team for next steps.